What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all having a great day today. And today I'll be editing the new Ford GT, the descendant of the legendary classic Ford GT40, and the designs will be based on Ken Miles' GT40 Mark II during the Great Le Mans 66. Now, for those who don't know Ken Miles and the story of Le Mans 66, it was an annual 24 hours endurance racing, means the drivers race from morning until the next day non-stop but have pit stops and change drivers. But what made that year special was it recorded one of the greatest racing in history, which was the rivalry between two automotive titans, an American automaker Ford and the Italian sports car manufacturer the Ferrari. Ken Miles, a World War II veteran, a British sports car racing engineer and a driver, teamed up with Carroll Shelby, a former racing racer turned automotive designer. If you're a car enthusiast, you might know the name because it's stuck in almost every Mustang that Ford makes until today. Together, they represented Ford with the GT40 Mark II and did the impossible. Ford defeats the Ferrari team and they also won first place in Le Mans 66. For more details on the story, you can check out the movie Ford vs Ferrari starring Matt Damon and Christian Bale. It was based on true story from that history. I highly recommend you watch it. 10 out of 10 rating in my opinion. Hope you enjoyed the rest of the process. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. If you want to follow my social media, I leave you the links in the description down below. Hope you enjoyed the video and the final outcome as well.